Welcome everyone in HueFin News. Today is June 26, 2018, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market news analysis, to where we're here to give you all price predictions according to the charts, and y'all can see how we do our predictions. It is awfully clean on our charts. We're not trying to confuse you because so many other people already do that. It's our objective to give you price predictions that is not confusing. We give you plain, simple language. We're not trying to hit you all with those parabolic moves that those other charters use on their videos, because it's just simply there to show how impressive their charting skills are, when in actuality it is so simple, it's easy. First, we're going to do our price prediction for OmiseGo, OMG, paired against the USD. You can see that currently this cryptocurrency is down 7.37%. Last trade was $7.32. Looking at the daily price chart for OmiseGo, you can see that the market is definitely giving us a push to go down bar, which is an indication of market weakness, but the volume is real light comparative to what we saw the last 4 trading days. So definitely you want to be cautious of that particular fact. You can see here in the background of the chart for OmiseGo that we came and held that area as support quite well. So we can actually find a support area right now in OmiseGo. Let's take a quick look at the 3-hour bars for OmiseGo. And you can see that we are not ready for higher prices, especially if this 3-hour bar closes the way that it looks now. Expect OmiseGo to continue to move lower. Initially, it might just come down to $7.20, but again, it could come a lot lower than that given the huge down move we have in the market for this particular cryptocurrency. So short term, yes, expect OmiseGo to continue its movement to the downside, and that can continue all the way into tomorrow's trading or even throughout the rest of this week. So expect the market to continue to move to the downside. This is a definite precursor of weakness that we see in the market. The market tried to recover, and the market is currently being inundated with some weakness. So I'm not expecting OmiseGo to move substantially down to the downside. It may just come back down to $7.20 as I originally stated. But given this particular bar, it can move a lot lower than that in the short term. So our analysis for OMG is for them to continue to move lower in price. We would like for them to hold support above $7.20, because if so, then we're still going to hold support. But if it breaks $7.20, then we have a huge movement to the downside to go. Now let's take a look at Dash. You can see that Dash is down 4.74%. Last trade was $229.29. Daily price bar for Dash is going to show you that the market is still weak, but you can tell on the daily price chart that we necessarily did not move a lot in price over the last 4 trading days, including today's trading. Market came and held support above 220, and resistance is definitely there around 247, 250. So that is the consolidation range for this particular cryptocurrency that you want to be on the lookout for. Now the 3-hour chart for Dash is continuing to show us precursors of weakness in this particular market. We have to keep price above 225 in order for this currency to stay within consolidation. But given the fact that we're not seeing a lot of indications of market strength, we're looking for at best Dash to continue to consolidate. Ultimately, the market cannot go below $225. That needs to hold that support, and the resistance area first is going to be around $235. But ultimately, if we get a great market move upward in price, the market come up to 240, even 245, but that is a long way away. So consolidation is going to be a lot narrower in the short term, but ultimately 225 is the area of support that we have to hold. If we break 225, then we will break out of our consolidation range and move lower. Okay, given what we have on these particular bars today, it's definitely leaning that way. We only have that one support area for all of these altcoins that is keeping us from moving lower in price. Now the last one for today is going to be Ethereum. Taking a look at Ethereum, you can see that they're down 5.5%. Last trade was $435.72. And the daily price chart is definitely giving us same indications of non-interest in higher prices. Push to go down bar is being reflected on Ethereum just like it was for OMG, and the market may come back down to 425 initially to hold support on the daily price chart. Taking a look at the 3-hour bars, you can see here on the 3-hour bars that we are still getting some weakness in this particular space. So weakness definitely is going to continue to push lower in Ethereum. $430 definitely needs to try to come and hold that support. You can see here on this current 3-hour bar that the market has already came to support around $432, because it did that on this particular 3-hour bar. It came to 433, and we consolidated and move a little higher than that. Now, are we going to get that the same go around? Currently, there's still some weakness in this space, so you have to be cautious. The volume is heavier, so it's a lot different picture than what we saw during that particular time. 1-hour chart is definitely showing us some increased volume, stockpile coming in the market. So we literally need to wait until we find where support is going to be. It can be where it's being traded now, $436. That simply means in the next hour, if we close above its previous close, then yes, we will continue to move higher in price in Ethereum, but it might just come up to 440, even 444 throughout trading tomorrow. But definitely, overwhelmingly, these currencies are weak. So this definitely is not a buy opportunity at this particular time. We're trying to wait until we find where support is going to be. Now, until then, that's the best we're going to get is consolidation for the currencies that we have done our price predictions for today on this video. There is a slight probability of maybe around 15%, 20% chance that these currencies will hold support relatively soon and move higher throughout trading tomorrow. So I still see around 20%, maybe 25% chance of that occurring, but definitely that is about it. So that's all I have for today. If you guys are interested in learning more about language analysis, you guys can definitely become our member on our HueFin News Patreon page to show you how easy it is to give you price predictions. We also give you our opinions on a lot of the other news articles that is blazing the social media websites, give you a different twist on what we are noticing with the words that are on the articles or the videos, just to give y'all a different perspective. So we do look forward to y'all coming and being a part of our community, because we are creating a different way to chart. It's only $3 a month, so it's not expensive. We want to give everyone opportunities to get this forward price predictions before the market actually moves in those certain directions. And that's the only place you're going to get it, at our HueFin News Patreon page. So we look forward to seeing you all there. Guys, any questions and comments, go ahead and put it in the comments section. Go ahead and like, share these videos. And if you're not a subscriber, then go ahead and subscribe to our videos, because we're simply here to give you the price predictions according to the charts. We're not trying to wow and woo and razzle dazzle you with fancy words, fancy thumbnails. We're just simply here to give you the unbiased news that's already on the charts. So that's all I got for today. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.